We'll take a brief moment to look at the components of the Project 98 window. At the top of the window, we have a title bar. It currently reads Microsoft Project, Project 1. This bar shows the name of the project we have opened. Once we give our project a title, its name will appear here. Below the title bar is the menu bar, which contains drop-down menus for File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Project, Window, and Help. Below the title and menu bars are two toolbars. Toolbars contain tools that streamline many of the commands in the title and menu bars. The first is the Microsoft Standard Toolbar. The Standard Toolbar provides the most frequently used tools, which we can use to accomplish a wide range of common project management tasks. Next is the Formatting Toolbar. The Formatting Toolbar allows us to select size, style, and type of font we want to use, and show other specialty buttons. Below the Formatting Toolbar is the Entry Bar, where text is entered and edited as we begin planning our project. Below the Entry Bar is the Gantt chart. The Gantt chart consists of two parts, an entry table on the left side and a bar chart on the right. The entry table is used for entering task information for our project. For example, if our project is to plan a company newsletter, some of the tasks we would enter here might include writing or editing articles, selecting photographs, and typing the articles. The bar chart displays the project schedule by day, week, or month. We notice it is divided into days of the week with the non-working days shaded in gray. An adjustable divider separates the Gantt table on the left from the Gantt bar chart on the right. To move the divider, we place the pointer on the adjustable line between the two sections, and the pointer will change into a double-headed arrow. When we see this double-headed arrow, you know we're in the right position to begin dragging. The size of the two panes can be adjusted to increase the amount of information shown in the table or to expand the graphical area of the chart. The status bar is at the bottom of the screen. The left side of the status bar currently says Ready. From time to time, it's a good idea to glance down at the status bar to see what commands are being initiated. Many questions need to be answered before the actual planning of a project can begin. Questions such as what needs to be done, how long will it take, do some tasks have to be completed before others can begin, and finally, who will be responsible for carrying out each task. Collecting facts before beginning work on a project will speed up and simplify our scheduling. It's important to specify the project's goal, set a definite time frame, determine all fixed deadlines or time constraints, create a budget, and decide what performance and quality specifications are required for the project. The tasks of the project need to be organized into major phases, and milestones need to be established to mark the completion of each phase. Milestones determine if the project is on target after the work begins. Once the goals and tasks are defined, we are ready to begin scheduling our project. Our goal is to publish a company newsletter. Some of the tasks required to accomplish our goal will include designing a cover, selecting photographs, typing and editing copy. Let's begin our project.